Restless heart. In the quiet of the night, I lie awake. Restless thoughts of you, my heart they take. When I don't see you, my mind's in a whirl. Anxiety grips me, my emotions unfurl. Knowing you're near, my heart starts to race. A mix of excitement and a frantic pace. This feeling is new, something I've never known. Listen to me, my love for you has grown. Every moment without you feels like an eternity. My thoughts are consumed by your sweet serenity. When I see you, my world lights up bright. In your presence, everything feels right. Why is it you who feels my every thought? In your absence, my peace is fraught. When you're near, my heart skips beat. In your gaze, I find my retreat. I hope you hear me. I hope you understand. My love for you is more than I had planned. Listen closely. My heart speaks true. I really love you more than you knew.